Hi guys, can you tell me what's inside of this kettle? It's so dirty. How to clean the electric kettle? As you can see, this kettle is very dirty. I just like, oh my goodness, look at that. You know, I used the sponge already. Cannot get rid, it cannot remove. It's very hard. I used dishwashing liquid, but it still cannot take it out. So, guys, if the problem like this, all you need is artificial vinegar. You know, artificial vinegar is very cheap. You can use this to clean your electric kettle. As you notice, every electric kettle is made of stainless. As you can see, inside is stainless. So all you have to do, just put the vinegar inside and shake it and boil it. Boil with that synthetic vinegar or artificial vinegar. Don't use apple cider, guys, because apple cider vinegar is too expensive. Just use artificial vinegar. It's cheap, right? It's only like under 50 cents. So don't worry. As you can see, I put just half cup of vinegar inside. So I try to use this also to clean my kettle. As you can see, it still have the residue inside. So yeah, let's try this one. And then put inside because it's not shiny. I already cleaned this one last month, but I noticed today that still have something, the hard thing. So I have to remove that. So I'm going to use vinegar again. I will not put a lot of vinegar because I need only to get rid a little bit of hard thing or salt deposits. So just put a little bit of vinegar and then just boil it. Okay? Just like that. And then just wait for a while until boil and then look inside. Wow, very clean. Oh my goodness, can you see that, guys? It's too shiny. It's very shiny now. You see that? That is the magic of artificial vinegar, guys.